jubilee. Why the robot sings this song, what the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your heavenly song.